Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the new line by Ion called Inspired by Nature, and this is in the shade Midnight Blueberry Black. And so far I like it. It's so blue. I do get hints of violet every time like I move my head a certain way, but like in this light you can see the blue. Like that's crazy. I don't have any sun today to show you what it would look like in the sun, but did you not see that? Did you? I saw purple when I moved my hair. I can't duplicate it again, but I mean, I do see blue and it looks amazing. I really, really like the way that it pops. So a few things I'd like to tell you before you purchase this. I'm not 100% sure if they changed the size of the developer, but this is the only bottle I was able to purchase in size. It comes in 3 fluid ounces, and it has this in like all the other levels, but I'm not sure if they even come in bigger sizes at all. So this was the only size I was able to purchase, and I purchased 2 and 2 boxes of color, and yeah, this color is super, super thick. So I just wanted to let you know that while you're using this color, dispense the color very lightly because it's so thick. You want to make sure that you have enough to penetrate the rest of your hair. I started off just dipping and just brushing, and it seemed like once I got done doing all my roots that I didn't have much to do the rest of my hair, so I had to like go very lightly, but it did cover. And then I did have stuff left over so that I could do the ends and make sure that the ends were penetrating really well, because it seems like my ends fade really fast, probably from my flat iron. But like, look at that blue. It's amazing. I really like it. I have nothing bad to say about this except it stains like crazy. So be prepared to get your bleach or your scrub and bubbles out and scrub your shower or tub really, really well afterwards, because it stains so bad. And it stains your skin. Like, I was able to get a good chunk of it off, but like I can't get it off my ears. I still got it like on the back of my neck and everything. It's a hot mess, but make sure that you take extra precaution, because once it's like it gets on something, you can't get it off. I had it on my neck too really bad. I scrubbed the crap out of it, so that somewhat came off, but yeah, this color is a pain in the ass to get off. So just be prepared to get your bleach out or your scrub and bubbles. I use scrub and bubbles and it worked really, really well. What else? There's no nasty scent. It did smell like a little fruity once I opened this. That was about it. It just kind of like dissipated after a while. My hair smells like hair dye, but it doesn't have that overpowering scent of hair color that you just did your hair. I lost my train of thought of what I was going to say. It did not irritate my scalp whatsoever. It was very light and, well, as light as a thick color could be. Like, it made it easy, but like I meant light, like no irritation. Maybe an itch or two here and there, but that was about it. But nothing like crazy. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this at all. Like, I had a good experience, except you need to do the color sparingly on your roots and then like cake it on towards the end. You definitely need more bottles of hair developer per oh my god, per color. I am losing my mind today. Yeah, it's overall really great. I have nothing bad to say. It's supposed to be for really great gray coverage too, and I have like lots of pure white. I don't even get gray, I just get white hairs, and I get it all around here, and it's covered it really, really well. We'll see how long it lasts, because usually there's some colors that will do an amazing job with your hair, and then like 2 washes later, all your white and gray hairs just reappear. But the rest of your hair looks fine. So we'll see. I hope, because this is such a beautiful color, and the blue stands out so much, that I really hope that it lasts longer than like 6 washes. So far, the last couple colors I've used won't even surpass 6 without making my hair look dark brown. So we'll see. But it's so beautiful. I wish the sun was out, because I would love to see what this would look like in the sun. And I swear I wish I would have done it yesterday, because it was so sunny and gorgeous. And today it's gloomy and gross, so. But look at that. I wish I could duplicate like what it looks like when it shows violet, because it's so weird that it's so blue, but then you get like a totally different like purple tone somewhere, which I've never seen before, especially with like a blue dye. But it's so weird, but it gives it a cool effect. But anyways, that is all I have to say about this hair color so far. There's no hate at all, and it's super cheap. It's super stainy, so beware. And yeah, if there's any other colors out there that you want me to see, or that you want to see me do and review for you guys, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely do that. And for anybody that's new, I will not color my hair lighter to do like pinks or pastels or blonde. It's just going to be strictly blue, black, or black, and that's it, because I killed my hair trying to go lighter, and it just doesn't work. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Have a great day, guys.